Can you survive without hot food, or is it a necessity? You might be shocked to learn that hot food isn't actually essential for survival, but it does play some surprising roles in your health and comfort. Humans can survive on cold or room temperature food because our digestion depends on enzymes and stomach acids, not on how hot the food is. Early humans ate raw or cold meals for thousands of years with no problem. Nutrients like vitamins, proteins, and carbs remain intact whether the food is hot or cold. The key is having enough calories and nutrients to fuel your body. So hot food is not a survival necessity, but it is a convenience. Heating food breaks down complex molecules, making digestion easier and faster. It also kills many bacteria or parasites that might be present in raw food, reducing the risk of food poisoning. Warm meals can stimulate your appetite and promote better nutrient absorption. In cold environments, hot food helps maintain your body temperature and comfort. So while you can survive without it, hot food provides key health and comfort benefits. Across cultures, hot meals are central to social gatherings and traditions, creating emotional bonds. The warmth triggers feelings of comfort and relaxation, which can improve mental health and stress levels. Eating hot food can also boost mood by triggering the release of certain brain chemicals. So while hot food is not a strict survival requirement, it plays an important role in your well-being and quality of life. So can you survive without hot food? Absolutely. Your body doesn't need it to process nutrients or stay alive. But hot food helps kill germs, improves digestion, and gives you comfort and joy. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.